They're back.
That's right. The crew that brought you Leaped in the live stream is back with something brand new for 22, and you won't want to miss it. Leap into podcasting. We're taking a leap into podcasting this year, September 29th and 30th. It's our third year of Leaped into Live, and we're bringing all that same energy this year for this 2-day virtual event. Join us September 29th and 30th. Two days of live sessions, workshops, and panel discussion. Over 20 podcasting experts and brands bringing their expertise to leap into podcasting. Topics include planning, production, distribution, promotion, strategy, tools and gear, workflows, and more. Go figure. Doc is going to talk about gear. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Here's the best part, people. The tickets are absolutely free.
Say what?
Free. Nix, nil, nada, nine, nothing, zilch, zero, free. F-R-E-E, free. Say you're busy and you can't make it? No problem. We'll be selling a replay pass, which includes virtual and physical podcasting guides with notes and bonuses from all the sessions. We got you covered. RSVP and save your spot today at leapinthepodcasting.com. That's leapintopodcasting.com.